Hey guys, we're here today for the first annual Braille You Make It, We Skate It War, thanks to Fetty.
Yeah.
So what we have here is a then there box. You can hold this one.
But it's not yours.
We have another box. These are not your boxes at the moment. What you're gonna do, these are both boxes that someone has made for us and sent to us. And I looked at these and Daniel looked at these to make sure that they were fair enough to go head to head.
Does this guy know what it is?
No, no one except for us two. So what you guys are gonna do is Rochambeau, and the winner of the Rochambeau gets to choose which one they want to skate. You guys can Rochambeau right now. Fetty gets to choose which one he wants to skate.
This one seems like it'd be easier to skate, but don't judge a box by its cover.
Yep.
I'm gonna take this one.
I use reverse psychology on that one.
Okay. So these are now your boxes. Fetty, please do not stab this open. McNugget, you can go ahead and start opening yours as well. This is Chris McNugget, by the way, if you don't know who he is. He has a YouTube channel and an Instagram. You should follow him. That's Fetty Potter. My name is Gabe Cruz, and behind the camera is Australian Daniel.
I got the.
Oh no! Oh no!
Don't you guys have a cleanup guy?
Oh, him.
Mario!
Alright, if it's him, I'm not gonna do it. Just one more time.
Oh no!
It's fine.
Whoa!
Yeah, I shotgun one.
Can I have one?
They're,
Let me just see.
wallets.
Wow! This is a wallet, Mario.
You don't need this.
I'm gonna read the notes while you guys are opening and setting up your boxes. So go ahead and start setting up yours. The note says, "I make it, you break it." Hey guys, I've been watching your channel for quite some time.
The wrong one.
And I'm a huge fan of what you guys are doing for the skate community. I grew up as a skateboarder myself, and now as a 30-something-year-old, your channel has definitely inspired me to get back out skating and enjoy it for its simpler aspects, as my body definitely can't sustain as much damage as it used to. Wow!
It's a fish!
It is a freaking fish.
I like the shape of it.
And look at that. Do you have a note on yours?
I do.
Look at that, it's a freaking seagull. I've made you guys a mini bomber board from one single piece of African
Mahogany.
Oh yeah, baby. I've skated around on it a little bit myself, and will be surprised if you were able to do much on it with a lack of nose. But if anyone can make it work, it is definitely you guys, so I know it's in the right hands. Let me know if you guys like this. If so, I will try to send along another one that's more skatable. I've also included some custom handmade Braille swag for you guys. In my spare time, I run a furniture business where I make furniture pieces and other items such as these custom wood wallets, which I sell on Etsy. Sick. One wallet is made from Purple Heart and the other from Purple Heart and Walnut with burnt-in Braille logos. I hope you guys like them. If you give me a shout out on my Instagram channel at NorthwoodFND, I would be super pumped. Keep up the amazing work. And the only trick you would like to see on this, Fetty, is a nose slide, so it is perfect that you got this one. P.S. I was gonna put the note in one of the wallets, but I'm pretty sure you guys may have never found it. True. So that is for this one, and for this one, Dear Braille, I absolutely love your videos and stop what I'm doing every day at 10 o'clock a.m. to check out the newest one. This board is made out of scraps from a maple gym floor.
Oh,
I have another one, so don't worry about breaking it. We all know what is gonna happen. Can you please check out my photography at Cam Warthan on Instagram. 19.2K. Dang, he has more followers than me. Cool, so this is a gym floor seagull board.
Yeah, I could get ringworm.
Made out of wood. Oh gosh, I never even thought about that. That is disgusting. And this is a African mahogany fish board. They're actually both really beautiful.
Awesome.
Look at, they're both pre-sunken. These guys are craftsmen. So a big thanks to Cam for making us this board, but sadly, the creator of African mahogany did not tell us his name.
Whoa, what is he doing?
Don't look!
Fetty is tarnishing it. Would you like to start building yours? What is this?
This is a bomb. The World War II planes.
Like a little torpedo bomb. I see. Okay, and it looks like a shark. I want to know what you guys think. So comment below what board you like the most and who you think is gonna win with the hashtag notification squad. And maybe we'll send you some stuff.
Squad.
You got something in your ear. Where'd that come from? Rude. All right, I think these are good. Ref Carlos, are you ready to professionally officiate this game?
Sure.
With your prize.
Sure, why not?
And are you done putting your Braille drops in danger to now film this video? Okay, everyone, please stop skating. Please. Whoa.
Carlos's fries will cross your ass.
Let's get a good old-fashioned Rochambeau going. Ooh! All right, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm just stuck on this.
Bird.
This is You Make It, We Skate It Wars. Scene 1, Episode 1, Take 1, Action. It's your time in the spotlight.
Let's start simple.
Wow. Oh! It's full park.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my goodness!
Sir, you need a helmet, sir. Here.
Dude, you need to like wear basketball shoes on that.
You're right.
Drop in.
way too good at this small stuff, man.
He's doing it.
Whoa! That switch dropping?
Yep.
You animal. Woo!
I like to dance.
Yeah, you're supposed to ref, man.
I think he shoved.
Tricky shove.
Becky. How much back?
Oh!
Do you get that? That's not happening for me. Just roll in a 360 body burial.
Doesn't count.
Definitely counts. Oh!
Surf's up, dude.
Wow!
360. God.
He is completely too good at that trick.
Yeah, I can't do that trick.
I don't know. This tail's kind of limiting.
How? The park is your playground. Wow. What? Whoa! Dude, that was sick though.
Hey.
I thought it was gonna break right there.
It looked like I chipped it. Oh, I kind of did. Look at flattened it.
Not the surfboard.
Wow! Dang. What happened?
I'm just not used to my truck being like way at the top, so I dipped like before I popped.
He was just testing the waters. That's what happened.
Oh. Is that possible?
Yeah.
Oh.
The flip kick off the box.
Oh no! Oh!
Play it where it lies.
I was not expecting that to happen.
Best-
What in the world, dude? This could kill somebody. All right, Fetty, your trick. Wow, that was actually really close.
I think we're gonna be able to make it work. 2 bolts on the same side. Yeah, that should work.
What do you think?
I don't know yet. It's definitely a lot harder to balance. Get up onto the box and then roll off.
Keep going, keep going. Oh. No way. I don't even know how he did that.
Dang. I can't balance because I can only turn one way.
Oh. Whoa. How did that happen?
Dirty shoes.
No slide? He freaking nailed that.
I'm gonna go back to my off the box.
Oh, you never would have landed it like this.
Why? Why?
You gotta keep fighting
It's
it.
that kingpin, man. It's hanging.
What are you thinking?
Primo.
It's like primo to right.
It's a regular.
Oh, dirty.
Okay, fine. I'll do no slide.
That was still cool though.
I'm gonna try a boneless 180 on that bank again. I can't do that. I can't even go fast on this thing.
Let me see.
You gonna give it a shot?
I'll give it a wing dangle.
I'm not gonna lie, dude. I think you have that.
My heel bruise.
Oh.
I'm bruised on the bottom of my foot.
So you have a heel bruise. So we're not gonna make you do that. But
Yeah, I don't
we are gonna give Fetty the win.
No, he won.
Even though you were skating on a handicap board.
I'm actually happy with my performance. For at least half of it.
I did want to see you land that though.
Kind of did too, but that kingpin, it just kept grabbing.
Sorry.
You can't win them all, man. It's cool.
Good game.
I do want to see you doing some tricks on a few things though.
On this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I try my hard flip?
Yeah.
Wow.
Rotation.
Oh!
It was slippery.
Money. All right, Carlos. I know you wanted in on some of the action. So whatever you want to do, it's all on you. Oh! You good? I don't know how well I filmed that because he was literally holding on to me as it happened, but I tried.
Nothing easy about that at all. So whatever these guys did, really commend them for that. That's amazing. Dang it. My pet peeve is skating boards with no grip.
What did you guys think of the first annual You Make It We Skate It Wars?
Mahogany wins.
Did you have a good time or?
I did until I hurt my bruise.
You heard it again?
When I tried a back 180.
Oh no, so sorry.
But other than that, it was fun. I think I would have
think I'm kidding?
preferred if there was grip tape, but that's not how it goes. So it's cool.
yeah,
It's cool.
you know, you just play it where it lies. It was the African Mahogany Bomber board versus the Gym Floor board.
Gym floorboard board.
That was the hardest thing I've ever said in my life. So for those of you guys who answered the hashtag notification squad question earlier in the video, were you right? Were you wrong? What happened? Leave another comment below. Leave 2 comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Did you enjoy this You Make It We Skate It Wars episode? Do you want to see more? Let us know, and if you want to see more, we'll make it happen. Please subscribe, please like, leave those comments below. Check out Chris McNugget on Instagram and on YouTube. He's at Chris McNugget. I'm at GabeCrew01, at Fetty Potter, at Feisty Cadaver. You guys are, hold it together. We have like 10 seconds left. Hold it together. You guys are seriously the best. Thank you so much to every single person that watches these videos. We have a great time making them, and we hope you have a great time watching them as well. Check out the Braille shop for everything you need, from skateboarding made simple to all the parts of an actual complete skateboard. If you need one, you can go to brailleskateboarding.com to check that out. And I am out of things to say.